Bangladesh is very beautiful.
Are you from city?
Oh, what do you mean by friendship?
And sit down.
About 95% people. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Where are you from?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Zakaria.
Yeah, are you from Indonesia? Indonesia. Really?
Yeah, I'm Indonesia.
Just I'm from Bangladesh. Bangladesh?
Welcome.
Do you know Bangladesh?
Oh, Bangladesh.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Oh, just can you speak English? Can you speak English? Hi. Nice to meet you.
Ya ampun, kayak pun cantik sekali aja. I speak English chill.
Can you speak English a little bit or fluent? Speaking English?
Yeah. Yes. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you? How about you?
What?
How about you totally? Are you two sisters? Are you two sisters? Sisters?
Sister. Yeah.
Oh. Actually, what is your name?
My sister.
Risha. Are you Risha?
Rizka.
Risha.
Yeah.
Risha. Really?
I'm Rizka.
Rizka. Oh, okay.
I'm Rizka. Rizka.
Oh, actually,
I'm sorry, I smoke.
are you taking smoking? Really?
Yeah, I like smoke.
Actually, smoking dangerous for health. It creates different problems. Really, it creates different problem. So
No problem.
yeah.
I smoke, no problems. Indonesian, no problem smoking.
Oh, personally, I don't like smoking, and I don't take smoking. Oh, really?
You know smoking?
No, I don't take.
Drink alcohol?
I don't take smoking. Basically, I'm private teacher. I teach to the students.
Oh yeah. I understand.
Who is talking to you? Who is talking to you? Who? Who is talking to you?
What?
Talking. Actually, you should give up smoking. Please listen. You should give up smoking because it is dangerous for health. It is dangerous for health. Really, it creates different or critical disease. It creates critical or difficult disease. Really, I don't like personally. I can suggest.
I like smoke.
Yeah, please give up smoking.
Smoke. I like smoking. Hobby.
This is
My
your-
hobby.
Is this your hobby?
My favorite smoking.
Is your hobby? Really hobby?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I like smoke. I like drink alcohol.
Oh, really? Your sister is taking smoking? Your sister? Sister.
Yeah, smoking.
Please,
Yeah.
you should talk with me all together. Please, come on. Your sister.
Oh, kau. No. Kau terlalu jauh, sayang.
Actually, it is very dangerous. You should give up right now smoking. But you can take bitter leaf. You can take bitter leaf and other things as your hobby. You can get or you can take.
Um, my favorite hobby, smoke, healing, gym.
Gym. Do you like gym? Really?
Yeah, yeah. Song.
Okay. Actually, how old are you at present? How old are you? Age. Your age. How old are you?
Lihat cuka madrungan dia.
Yeah,
Lihat.
I'm 30. I'm 30.
My sister.
Please come on. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, okay. Nice.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You like my sister?
Yeah, I like your sister. Please come on. Really? I'm very interested to talk with her. Please come on. Please.
Are you Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Muslim, yeah.
I take 5 times prayer. Allahu Akbar.
Nice. I'm
Yeah.
Wallaf.
Are you Muslim?
I'm Wallaf.
Are you Muslim?
Yes, I'm Wallaf. Muslim. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah.
Already I have followed you.
Allah, tabarakallah.
I have followed you.
What?
I have followed you.
Follow, yeah.
What is your name? Your sister.
Alright.
Your sister. What is your name?
How you all?
Age.
Leah. My name is Leah.
Leah. Just this is Zakaria Hussain.
Zakaria.
I'm private teacher.
Sign.
I'm private teacher. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really. In our country, Bangladesh.
Nice.
Are you married? Are you
Are you
married?
citizen in Bangladesh?
Are you married right now? 2 sisters. Are you married? Married.
No. You and
Yeah.
how you sit in Bangladesh?
Actually, please ask one question. Again. I don't understand. Again.
Oh, how you sit in Bangladesh?
Yeah, actually, Bangladesh is very beautiful.
How you from city?
Oh, city Dhaka. Our capital
Are you
city
from
Dhaka.
city?
Dhaka. Our capital city
Oh.
Dhaka. And yours capital city
City in Bangladesh?
Jakarta. Are you from Jakarta?
No. I'm from Maluku. No, I'm from Maluku. I'm from Maluku. Sulawesi Utara. Manado. Yes, Manado. Yes, Manado. I'm from Manado. I'm sitting in Manado. I live in Manado.
Oh, really? Actually, please explain.
Yeah.
Explain in short sentences. What do you mean by friendship? What do you mean by friendship? According to
I
your
don't know.
common sense.
What?
What do you mean by friendship? Friendship.
I don't know. Apa yang kamu pikir? Iya.
Yeah.
Pertemanan. I'm single.
Single. Oh, me also single.
No.
Me also single. I am searching someone like you.
You married?
No, single,
You
single,
married or
single,
You
single,
married
single,
or single?
single.
Yeah. Okay. What years old?
Basically, I'm 30 years old. 30. 30.
What?
I'm 30 and finished.
Wow.
Finished MSc degree. Higher education.
Zero?
Higher education completed. Higher education completed recently.
I'm 34. I'm 34. I'm 20.
Are you 20?
I'm 20. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually,
Nice.
you are more beautiful than your sister.
No bullshit.
You are more very beautiful than your sister. You more
Thank you.
attractive.
You're so handsome.
But you are not.
Handsome.
You are not only beautiful but also.
I like men. India. I like men India. I like boys
No.
India.
But
Yes.
we live in next to India. But most of the 95%,
And Vietnam.
about 95% people.
Kamu bilang udah lama baik kok. I like boys. I like boys India, but Vital in big, so big.
No.
I like men India, but Vital in men India too big. So big, crazy. You know?
No. About 95% of our country, most of the people, 95% Muslim. 95% Muslim of our country, Bangladesh. Really?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I like you.
Okay, just what time is it now in Indonesia? What time?
Nine.
8 p.m. 8 p.m. 8 p.m.
Yes, 8 p.m.
Oh, just
Yes.
here in our country, Bangladesh, 30
In Indonesia, night.
night.
To Bangladesh,
In the afternoon.
Now.
In the afternoon. 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. in the afternoon.
Oh. Nice.
Actually, are you a student? Are you a student of school, college or university? School, college or university student? Are you university student? University student?
No, I'm work.
Oh, this is my favorite book for speaking English.
Your teacher, what your teacher?
Already finished. I have finished student life.
What?
Student life finished. Already finished. Completed.
Dia kata guru bahasa Inggris. You follow me
Already followed you.
Instagram.
And
You follow in my sister. You follow me in Instagram.
Instagram. I am giving my WhatsApp number.
Oh, WhatsApp number. Yes, I'm. WhatsApp number.
Yeah, please wait.
Wait. Kepala. Jangan lagi begitu. Tapi itu kamar.
Below. Look at.
Lupa lagi deh benam. Wait.
Follow me.
My number is. Wait.
Follow me on WhatsApp. Follow me on WhatsApp.
This is my number. WhatsApp. This is my number WhatsApp. Mana benar kamar belakang nih?
Please look at. Below.
This is my number. No.
It is not clear.
0. Your screenshot now.
It is not clear. It is not clear. Please inform me in
Oh, I'm number.
Inbox, inbox.
Comment.
please inform me in inbox. Inbox.
Oh yes. I'm chatting you now.
Yeah, really.
I'm chatting you now.
I can help you to learn English.
I'm really.
I can help you to learn English if you don't know
thank you.
English. Yeah, really.
I'm student. I'm student you.
Yeah.
My teacher.
Yeah, really.